ever pondered over the recent changes in LinkedIn's strategy and the unexpected rise of dumb phones in an era of smart technology? Well, brace yourself for an intriguing exploration into these current trends. Over the years, LinkedIn has evolved from a professional networking platform into a dynamic hub for content creation and engagement. One of the most pivotal changes in recent times is LinkedIn's introduction of games. Yes, you heard it right, games on LinkedIn. This innovative move aims to boost engagement and revenue, transforming the way users interact with the platform. LinkedIn's gaming feature is not just another frivolous pastime, it's a strategic move designed to create a more engaging and interactive environment for its user base. This new feature provides users with a refreshing break from their professional routines, while also offering LinkedIn an opportunity to generate additional revenue. The introduction of games also serves as a way to keep users on the platform for longer periods, increasing the likelihood of them interacting with sponsored content. In a nutshell, LinkedIn's gaming feature is a win-win for both the platform and its users. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's delve into the rising popularity of dumb phones. In a world where smart technology reigns supreme, one might question the relevance of these seemingly outdated devices. However, contrary to popular belief, dumb phones are making a significant comeback, and for good reasons too. In an age where digital distractions are rampant, many people are seeking ways to disconnect and maintain their mental health. Dumb phones, with their limited features, provide the perfect solution. They offer the basic functions of calling and texting, without the constant barrage of notifications from social media and other apps. In essence, dumb phones are a refuge for those seeking to reclaim their time and focus. They serve as a powerful tool in the fight against digital addiction, providing a much-needed respite from the constant connectivity that characterizes modern life. In summary, LinkedIn's new gaming feature and the rise of dumb phones are two intriguing trends shaping the tech landscape. While LinkedIn seeks to boost engagement and revenue through innovative gaming features, the resurgence of dumb phones highlights a growing desire for digital detoxification. These trends underscore the dynamic nature of technology and its continuous evolution in response to changing user needs and preferences. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more insightful updates on the latest trends and changes in the tech world. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning.